Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Sampling. The sampling tool generates a random sample from a range of input values. The sampling tool can help you work with a large database by creating a subset of it. This procedure has two options, the periodic and random. If you choose a periodic sample, Excel selects every nth value from the input range where n equals the period that you specify. With a random sample, you simply specify the size of the sample you want Excel to select. Every value has an equal probability of being chosen. There's a simple output. What we do is we just grab any column, any of the data here, and we'll just hit B. We'll go to data analysis. Well, you don't have to grab this yet. Hit sampling, hit a range. Let's hit a range here, population. We want labels. Let's say periodic, and we just want every fourth sample. Hit period 4, and our output will be Q1. And we get 5 output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because there's 20 samples. It just pulls every fourth and just grabs a number. Now we can go back in, we can just hit delete, go data analysis, sample, hit random. Let's say we want 12, we have 20 here. We want to pick a random sampling from population column B, hit OK, and we have 12. Why did it not print the population? Because population is an A. It was centered on here. So let's go back, delete this. If you want, you can go back to merge and center. And we have population 1, go right, population 3. Let's go back here, go data analysis, sampling. We have labels, random 12, Q, in our range B1, B21. Why did it not print? For some reason, Excel won't print out the population. If you want to set this up, you want to print one row below, and then you'll have to enter whatever you want. Now, the objective here is you have this population mean, and then you have a sample mean. What you're doing is comparing. You can do analysis as to, is this significant? This is a great tool to generate sample data. Brad Williams, Excel Prime, Williams out.